Are you trying to get your V-Bucks on Xbox Cloud Gaming but nothing is working? You're not alone. Many players feel stuck and confused, but don't worry. We're here to help you right now, step by step, so that you could get your V-Bucks fast and jump back into Fortnite. So first, open your internet browser and go to xbox.com/play. This is where you can play Fortnite with Xbox Cloud Gaming. So make sure that you're signed in with your Xbox account. All right, next you're going to launch Fortnite right from the website. So it might take a minute, but stay patient. Once the game opens, go to the V-Bucks section in the game menu. All right. Now, here's the trick. V-Bucks can't be bought directly in Xbox Cloud Gaming, but you can redeem them. So you're going to go to Microsoft.com/redeem and enter your V-Bucks code. Make sure that you're logged into the same Xbox account that you use for Fortnite. After that, reopen Fortnite on Xbox Cloud Gaming and your V-Bucks will show up in your account. Last tip, if it still doesn't show, restart the game and double check your account settings. All right? Now, don't give up. Getting your V-Bucks is possible. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.